How's it going, everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. Today we'll be showing you guys the easy steps on how to remove the door panel from your S550 Mustang. Door panel removal in your S550 is essential when upgrading audio components, replacing a faulty switch, or servicing anything that obviously needs attention behind the door panel. To remove either door panel from the car, start by removing the window switch housing. Lift up on the rearward portion of the housing with the plastic pry tool and dislodge the clip. Work your way towards the front of the bezel and dislodge the rest of the clips. Now these are kind of sketchy to dislodge, so just be careful. Once the housing is removed, disconnect the electrical connection. Loosen and remove the 10mm bolt. Now you can remove the small trim piece that is positioned behind the door handle. Hold the door handle open and then carefully use a small angled pick to pull the piece towards you. This will dislodge the small plastic clip. Loosen and remove the 10mm bolt. Loosen and remove the two 7mm screws at the bottom of the door panel. Starting at the rearward upper portion of the door panel, pull the panel away from the door to dislodge the clip. Carefully work your way around the entire panel until it is completely separated from the door. While holding the door panel, use a pair of needle nose pliers to depress the tabs on the door handle cable. Pass it through the small opening and then remove the eyelet from the handle. The door panel can be set aside and you can repeat the same steps for the other side. Of course, simply repeat the removal steps to reinstall each door panel. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and be sure to turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Feel free to check out our other videos, and for all things S550 Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.